Hari Om Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 11, Vishwarupa Darshan Yoga, Cosmic Form of Bhagavan Krishna, verse 43. In the last two verses, Arjuna cried, Hare Krishna, due to my ignorance or utter stupidity, I took too much liberty with you and called you as Hey Krishna, Ye Yadava, or Ye Pal, Saketi. Sometimes I have slighted you when you are alone or even in public. All these things have been done by me, either due to my ignorance or love and affection towards you. Will you forgive my unpardonable mistakes, Hare Krishna? This is what he said in verses 41 and 42. Now, verse 43.
पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेभ्यः प्रतिमप्रभवम्. Again. पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेभ्यः प्रतिमप्रभवम्.
Now, Arjuna is expressing himself. How Bhagavan Krishna is above everything.
पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य.
Hare Krishna, you are the father, Pita, of these moving and non-moving things and beings, or living and non-living beings. Chara achara.
पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान्.
You are the one who should be worshipped. You are only the person. You are the fittest person to receive the puja. You are the first guru, and that too most respectable guru. Why? What is the Guru Parampara? Guru Parampara, the sloka says, Narayanam Batmabhuvam Vashishtam, Saktim cha Tatputra Parasharam cha, Vyasam Shugam Kaudabadam Mahantam, Govinda Yogindram Adasya Sishyam, Shri Shankaracharyam Adasya Batmabhadam, Cha Astamalagam Cha Shishyam, Tam Todagam Vartigagaram Anyan Asmad Gurun Santadam Anadosmi. So the Guru Parampara itself starts with Narayana. Narayanam, first Narayana, then he taught Brahma Vidya to Brahma. Narayanam, Batmabhuvam, Vashishtam, Brahma to Vashishta. Then Shakti, Vashishta to Shakti. Shakti is to his son Parashara. Then Parasara to Vyasa. Vyasa to Sukadeva. Sukadeva to Gaudapada. Gaudapada to Govinda. Govinda to Yogindra. Yogindra to Shankaracharya, who taught his disciples Batmabhada, Astamalaga, then Todagacharya, to Sureshwara. To the entire tradition of Gurus, I put Namaskars. This is what the sloka says. So the first Guru is Narayana. Hence Arjuna says, you are the first Guru, Guru Gariyam. Guru is highly respected. So and hence you are the only one who should be worshipped. Even in other religions, you go and see all the other religions. I don't want to name any religion. You go and see all the other religions. Guru is the most respected and revered than the God himself. Most of the religions of this world are named after their gurus only. Hence Arjuna says, being the first Guru of this entire universe, you are the one who should be worshipped. Narayana is the first Guru for everyone. Then he says, is there anyone equal to you?
न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः
Is there anyone equal to you? Hare Krishna. There is absolutely none. Will that mean anyone above you? No. There is no one above you. That is, none is equal to you or none is superior to you. Hare Krishna, you are the supreme being. As there is no one equal to you or above you, how can there be anyone? That is what he says. In all the three words.
लोकत्रयेभ्यः प्रतिमप्रभाव.
In all the three words. Batala Loka, this Loka, and heaven. All the three worlds. There is none who is equal to you or above you. So the saying, now we can say, however high you are, whichever field, Bhagavan Krishna is above you. That is the final this thing. So verse 43 again.
पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य भूजश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽत्यप्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेभ्यः प्रतिमप्रभव. Again. पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य भूजश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽध्यप्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेभ्यः प्रतिमप्रभव.
Next verse we will see tomorrow. Hari Om Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu.
नारायण 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 नारायण.